everybody, this is Mark Albert. I'm the CEO of Hartville Hometown Meats and Seafood Company, and I'd like to introduce you to our new Megaplex at the corner of Portage and Wales in Jackson Township. Come on with me and let's take a quick tour inside. Come have dinner with us at DP Jackson Steak, Chop, and Seafood House, where you can dress any way that you want, have fine dining food, and we're right around the corner from your house. Let's take a look at some of the dishes that we offer. Join us at Nom Nom Popcorn Company and Nom Nom Cupcake Factory, where we have over 100 different flavors of gourmet popcorn and gourmet cupcakes that rotate year-round, as well as tons of other great gift ideas. Join us at Major League Dogs, where you can get fresh dogs, hamburgers, coney rolls, and so much more. Up to 50 fresh toppings available for your dogs. Choose from a bison dog, elk dog, wild boar dog, ostrich dog, Italian sausage, and more. Add a fresh cut fry. Is it the cold season? We have homemade chili for you. We even have nachos and cheese and our homemade coney rolls. Hungry for a fresh made burger? Load on those toppings. Now that you've seen what the Hartville Hometown Meats and Seafood Company Megaplex has to offer, come join us. Our address is 6817 through 6825 Wales Avenue Northwest in North Canton, which is Jackson Township. Give us a call at 330-495-1881 or find us on the web at welovemeats with an S.com, or find us on Facebook or search us through Google. We hope to see you soon.